It's about time. We got some rain and bad weather. We've been so lucky for the past 4 days, so it is time. But it's still pretty. There's the ocean behind me. Now there's the mountains behind me. We're driving the diamond circle. I think if the day was a lot better, it would be a lot prettier, but that's okay. Still nice. It's a different feel. I'm on top of this rock and it's pretty scary because I don't really know how far out I am off this cliff, but it is so pretty here. Oh gosh. Another beautiful day, sunny day after yesterday's rainy cloudiness. We needed this. So today is our last full day in Iceland, and we will drive back to Reykjavik today. I'm actually really sad. Hello! We are just starting our hike to Glimmer Falls, the tallest fall in Iceland. And this is a 5.5 kilometer hike that is supposed to take 2 hours. 2 hours for 5.5 kilometers, that's a long time. But it's beautiful, there's no wind, it's very warm. Perfect day for a hike. Our last hike of the trip. We're leaving tomorrow. Sad. The view in front of us. Like, how gorgeous is that? I think from the sign it says it's a 10K hike to that mountain, and it can take up to 8 hours. So unfortunately we don't have time for that. So we'll do the short hike and back. If you look in the distance, let me zoom in, that log right there. This is how we cross the river. Oh. She's pretty balanced. She doesn't look like she needs a rope. There's Richard going across, no problem. Super pro. Alright, John, your turn. So this reminds me a lot of the Inca Trail, because the journey itself is better than the reward. Although I haven't seen the reward yet. This hike was pretty much a highlight of northern Iceland for me. This is the most enjoyable hike. I know I don't sound like it, but I promise it is the best hike scenery wise. If you love nature, this is amazing. Like even now that the sun is starting to set a little bit, it's one Honestly, so breathtaking. Glimmer waterfalls, you did not disappoint.